So we do have a button just by our left knee, and when we press that, it is going to show our head-up display. So you can see it popping up there, and it's going to give us a little welcome message every time we use it. And as you can see there, it is going to show us our current speed and then whether or not we've got our lane keep assist system turned on. Now, if we had our smart cruise turned on with our lane centering, so our lane follow assist, lane keep assist, etc., it would show all of these different settings inside of the head-up display, which is kind of nice. Now, we do have the flexibility to show what's actually showing up inside of that screen, and that's all done through this screen down here. So, really straightforward in order to be able to adjust the settings there. All we're going to do is, on the main screen there, we're going to go to our setup. So, we're going to go setup there, or let's say if we're on the home screen, whatever, we're just going to press the setup button there. Jump into our vehicle settings, and we're going to jump down to our head-up display. We've got our display control, so we've got the flexibility to adjust the rotation or the height of the head-up display. I'll show you what that looks like in just a second, but we can also adjust the brightness here if we want to, make it brighter, darker, whatever the case may be. And we can also select what's showing up. So our turn-by-turn directions, traffic signs, our convenience info, blind spot system, and then our current radio, whether or not that's showing up inside of it. So I've got everything turned on, and I'm just going to adjust this a little bit as you're looking at the screen. So let's get you back on the screen there, and I'm going to adjust. So we can move this up, down. We can rotate it left, right, whatever the case may be, in order to make it a little bit easier for you to see it. So it is kind of nice that we've got that available as an option, but kind of neat that we've got that flexibility too. So we've got, as you saw there, turn-by-turn directions. So let's say if we wanted to navigate somewhere, we're going to look for a point of interest icon. Maybe we'll look for, let's say Starbucks. And all I'm doing is just through the screen here, so the media screen, I'm just searching for an address. And then as you can see there, address is there, and we're going to set it as our destination. Do we want to activate the services? No, not yet. It's a new car, that's the only reason why I'm not doing it. Okay, there we go. And we've got our destination. We're going to start guidance.
The route guidance will start now.
And as you can see there, it gives us the direction. So we've essentially got a turn-by-turn direction inside of our head-up display there, which is kind of nice. So I love that we've got that available as an option inside of this thing. But as I said, like, we've got the flexibility of setting exactly what we want inside of this. So whether it's the radio that's going to show up, if we want our guidance, if we want all of these different things showing up, like driver assistance settings, things like that, we've got that flexibility. So I love that we've got so many options inside of the head-up display inside of this thing.